Suntsassa yhtiö eräs tuomari.
Yesterday, it's the 24th of June 2022. We have Viskaalinkatu 3 in Raisio, Varsinainen Suomi, Finland, Finland, proper Finland. But it was more okay as the 400 similar ones from Raisio notifications here. They were built once each year. They were finished. This one was built in 1964, and the last one, the fifth one, was finished in 1968. And the Finland is 534, more or less in 2008 with PSS pictures. It was a rarer ValmetSchlieren here.
Yeah.
This should have been inspected in 2018. It's really delayed. 4 years delayed. Well, they didn't need to check it. It was working all the time.
Yeah.
No, this was the last one that they modernized. The foreigner was modernized in 2006, this one in 2008.
Yeah.
So I must have been here in 2008. I could have seen it maybe.
Yeah.
Too bad I didn't come here then.
Yeah.
Or it could have been in early 2008 also.
Yeah.
But I should have come here in 2007 maybe.
Yeah.
I would have been able to maybe, but well, sadly I didn't.
Yeah.
Because this was a rare ValmetSchlieren 1964 here.
Mm.
We'll end the video here on the basement floor.
Yeah.
The most interesting one of these five was modernized last.
That's